Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to do cross joints with a miter saw. We're going to start by getting our angles onto our material first based on the length that you need, and then marking centers of this material. I'm using reclaimed 4x4s for this project. Once we find where they're going to intersect, we want to take half of the width of your material, and we're going to mark a line inside of the previous lines, and this is what we're going to cut out. What I will not show in this video is how to set up the miter saw with the depth stop. I have other videos explaining how to use the depth stop and how to set that up. And now we're making our cuts using that depth stop. And you'll just go and cut out everything that you've marked. And once that's done, here's one of my favorite parts. We just peel those back, pop them out, and we'll get our wood chisel out and clean it up a bit. And we're going to repeat this process for the mating piece. And that's pretty much it. Lots of wood glue, tap it in, and you have your cross joint. Don't forget to subscribe for more.